Just laundry beads are enough. The bathroom will smell fresher than ever. I tried this method when we were expecting guests. I use laundry pearls regularly. I enjoy their scent. I add them to every wash. That's why I always have them on hand. I also regularly use them to make a homemade diffuser. In a small container, I mix them with baking soda and add a few drops of baby oil. Then I insert a few cloves on top. I place this diffuser in the bathroom. It looks classy and smells delightful. Everyone notices it. So why not use these pearls to freshen up the toilet? Can they replace an air freshener? They contain more fragrance ingredients than other laundry products. They gradually dissolve in water, releasing an intense scent. Even a small amount is enough to smell their aroma. And it's not about just throwing them into the toilet. There's a better way to use them to emit a pleasant scent. Take an empty hanger. The only thing to watch out for is that the hanger doesn't have too large holes. Fill it with scented pearls and close it. Hang it in the toilet and flush the water. After the first use, you'll feel it's a great idea. So next time you're expecting guests and run out of toilet freshener, grab some scented pearls. You can use them for as long as you want.